Hello everyone, let's see how to make a Crepe Suzette Flambe. These are the ingredients required for the crepes. In a heated pan, apply 1 teaspoon of butter. Now, pour a ladle of crepe batter. To know the recipe, check the description box below. Once fully cooked, the crepe would start leaving from the sides. For the Crepe Suzette recipe, you would require sugar, orange juice, crepe, segments of orange, Cointreau, cherries and some butter. Pan, add a cube of butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now place the pan on a medium flame and allow the butter and sugar to mix together. Now you could add 100 ml of orange juice and keep stirring the mixture in between. Once the sauce is ready, you could now add the crepes to the sauce. Allow the crepes to cook in the sauce for some time. To impart natural flavor of orange, add some orange segments to the sauce. Now add in 30 ml of Cointreau liqueur and cook it for some time. You should get a coating consistency like this. Tilt the pan and add 45 ml of brandy for a perfect flambe. Flambe imparts the perfect taste and flavor to the crepes. You could now start plating the crepes along with some sauce and some cherries. And that's how we make a Crepe Suzette Flambe. I hope you liked the video today. Please do like, share and subscribe and keep watching.